Yeah, hello. Good evening, and I'm here to show you how to set up my signal service on those that are using a LD bots. Okay, I've already created a WhatsApp group on that, and we're going to start soon. So, but the essence of this video is for you to know what to do when you receive my signal alert. Okay, via the WhatsApp group. So most of you have known these settings. Okay, it's a normal thing you know. It's manual. The system is based on manual. So you have to configure the manual here and start. How do you do that? To avoid wasting your time, make sure these are basic things you need to know. This is where you can select the item you want to trade on. These are the items. Okay, volatility 100 to 10. Okay, my signal can come from 100 to 10, but it can't come from this. It cannot come from this. Okay, this is bear market and bull. It can't come from there. It can come from 100, that under volatility 100 to 10, and currency from this one to down. Even from silver, gold, it can come from, yeah, excluding these two, this and this. So anytime you receive a signal from me via the WhatsApp group, what you need to do is just come here, you select the item I specified. When you select it, you start. Okay, now this duration can come from 1 minute, then it can come from 3 minutes, it can come from 5 minutes, it can come from 10 minutes, it can come from 15 minutes, it can come from 1 hour, it can come from end of the day. That is as in what I call end of the day. I will specify them. Okay, I will specify it. When I'm sending a signal, I will specify this is the item that is here, the duration. That is all. When you set them, if for example if the signal comes from Euro AUD, this Euro AUD, you can come here, select it fast, click on start. Okay, but before you click on start, make sure you go to settings. If the duration is like 3 minutes, for example, then what you need to do, just go to settings here, select settings to load, select this is your duration. Here is select 3 minutes. Make sure minutes is here. Okay, if it's 1 hour, you change 1 hour. H is 1 hour, you put 1 here. Okay, if it's end of the day, you can say you put my end of the day can come from early in the morning. I can say you put 1 hour here. I can tell you, okay, can tell you to put 7 hours, but end of the day is not that always available. Okay, it's not always available. Most of the signal will come from 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even 30 minutes. Okay, so this is where you can select the duration. So then leave it to rise and fall. This should be left alone, rise and fall. If it's not here, you put it. Then under stake, you can see I have 2 here. Okay, this is my demo account for you to know. This is my demo account. Okay, this under spot, see under trigger is manual. You can use this manual or this manual, but I always use this one. So you don't need this. This is where you can see the balance. So but this always put this in like this, so you can easily under the spot, you can select the item you want to use. Then coming here, you change it. Most of the trades you'll be getting from me will be in minutes. So you use these 3 minutes, for example, stake. If you have like $300 in your account, you can start from $1. So you put $1 here. Okay, if you put 2, it's good, but mostly put $1 here based on my experience. If you have for $1,000 and above, you can put 5. Okay, $5. Then if you have from that 2,000, you can put 10, 20, 30 is okay. Okay, Now let's start with 1. Stake 1. You will still make it. With this one, I've tested all those things. For those that are starting with more money, we are not the same. Our fingers are not equal, but I believe that you have to work hard to be among people that are bigger than you. Okay, so you can start from 1. Okay, this multiplier, always leave it to this, whether you're doing volatility or currency, always leave it 2.25. that is multiply. It means if you lose first trade, it will multiply by this, enter the second trade for you. Then max loss 8. I've never reached this 8 since 8 months or so. I've been testing this. I've never reached 8. I've never reached 8. Highest I've reached is 6. Okay, so I put 8 here. Then max loss stop. This like this. Leave all this one like that. Under here, put continue. Change it to continue. Then under here, you can put 999. Normally, I'm the one giving you signal now. So if you are following my signal, you can put it 999. Okay, but if you are trading on your own, as I've told people that I've trained before, you can put you follow what I taught you in the class then. So you can put it here, and then that is all. Nothing to, don't do anything here. Don't check anything here. Make sure they are not checked. Make sure they are not checked. Make sure they are not checked, because you're not doing automated. You are doing manual trading. When this is like this, then you can now select. If I send a signal, I will send a signal. I will give you the item, that is the currency or the volatility, whatever, or the gold or silver. I will give it to you. Then specify the duration you will put. So what you'll be changing is this one from here, this spot, the currency, that's what you change, and the settings under just duration. If it's 1 minute, you come here, change 1 minute. Come here, check 1 minute. If it's 1 hour, you put 5 minutes. These two are the things you'll be changing all the time. So you have to be very, 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 very careful when I send. And I can send a signal. If I send a signal on Euro USD, for example, on 3 minutes, so you don't need to change anything. So, but you have to cross check if they are this thing. But most times, what stops off in trading is if you are not sure. If you're under pressure, never you be under pressure to do anything. Okay, people have built house with trading, and there's whatever you do in this world without trading, even in buying and selling is trading, real estate is trading, online trading is what makes internet. Okay, forget about other ones we are doing. It just let us build up, carry. But trading, thank God I started with trading, and I'm making it, both the binary forex, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all those stuff. Bro, okay, now you said this, that is all. Now you start. If I'm sending signal on this, you start. Make sure you start it. Then this one will highlight. You start it again. Bam. Check this. Okay. Once the trade is on, because the market is not on this Saturday. I mean, this is on Sunday, so the market is not. So let me close it down. Then put the volatility. Okay. Come here. I'll close it now, so you understand better. Right. Okay, we've resumed. Now, when I've selected this volatility 100 index, you put start, click on start again. This thing will highlight. Then this thing will be ticking. So make sure this thing is highlighted. Once it's highlighted, you now wait. So whenever I give you a signal, you select here. Make sure the settings is the duration is on duration, or is started on the signal. Then you start it. Then if it's rise, you click on rise. If it's fall, you click on fall. I think that is all. Okay, and it is specifically on manual trading. So more details will be given to you as we proceed, so we can guide each other to greatness. Thank you.